Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp button click conversion tracking in Google Ads with the help of GTM. So without wasting any time, let us start with the video. So this is our Google Ad account, this is our Google Tag Manager account, and this is our website, and this is our WhatsApp button that we're going to track in Google Ad as a conversion. So first of all, we have to head our Google Ad account, and from here we have to create a new conversion that give us a conversion label and a conversion ID. So click here on this goal section. Okay, from here we have to scroll down a little bit, then find this button that's called create conversion action. Okay, now we have to uncheck this one, that's a conversion from phone call. We have to uncheck this one and make sure you are selected this only, that's called conversion on a website. Then save and continue. Then click on the see all and find the contact. Now select this one, that's called set up manually using code. Then click on this button, that's called conversion setting. From here, we have to add a name. So I name this as a WhatsApp clicks 2. Okay, now we have to save this one. Now click on the save and continue. Okay, now from here, we have to select this tab that's called use Google Tag Manager. From here, we get the conversion ID as well as the conversion label. So we're going to use both of these in the Google Tag Manager to track that button. Okay, this is our button that we're going to track, and this is our Google Tag Manager section. First of all, we have to do some work in the Google Tag Manager. So first of all, head to this variable section. And we have to make sure that our clicks variables are enabled. So we have to click on this configuration button. Then we have to scroll down a little bit and make sure that all the click variables, that's clicks elements like the click classics, click ID, clicks target, all these are selected. And make sure they are popping here. Okay, now we have to click on the tag section. From here, we have to click on this, that's called a preview. And it will automatically fetch your website, and if it does not, so you have to put it your website manually. Just copy your URL and paste it here. And just click on this connect tab. Now it will open two different tabs. First is you can see this is like a connecting window, and this is your website that is opening. Now you have to wait some second until your website is opening. Okay, it's taking some time. I will put a cut from here. Okay, we have to retry. Okay, now our website is now connected. You can see this tag pop-up that says tag as assistant is connected. This is your website, and this is the connecting tab. So from here, we have to scroll down a little bit and find our WhatsApp button, and we have to click on our WhatsApp button once. Now I click on this one. Now we have to go back to the same tab again and find this connected window. Okay, from here on the left hand side, we have to find this section that's called link click. So in my view, I find it on the 7th number. In your view, it could be different number. It could be on the 8th or the 9th. It's depend on the website to website. From here, we have to select this variable tab and scroll down and find the variable that's called click URL. And you can see my URL that's contain a var.link, because I have used WhatsApp URL showed on websites that will redirect to the WhatsApp number. So if you are using different type of WhatsApp URL, so it would be different in your case. So you have to just copy the first sections that is after the https://. So I'm going to copy that one. Okay, I copied this one, and now we have to create a tag on the basis of this. So I'm going to trigger section. So now we have to create a new trigger on this one. So I'm going to click on this button that's called new. From here, we have to click here on the like tag configurations. Select this one, just called just link. Some links and select the variables as the like click URL. And in this blank sections, paste your URL and name this trigger as a WhatsApp click. Okay, now just save this. Okay, now your trigger is successfully created. Now we have to connect this trigger with the Google ad. So how we are going to do this? With the help of tag. So we are going to create a tag, just add this new and select this trigger. So we just created this trigger that's called WhatsApp click. We're going to select this one. Now we have to create tag configurations with the like Google ads. So I'm going to add this sections with the like Google ads. Now Google ads conversion tracking, select this one. Okay, now we need to like put two things that's called like conversion ID and the like conversion label. So here we are, this is our conversion ID. Okay, now this is our conversion label. Okay, and you can see that's Google tag founded in this container. This is a like pop-up that everything is going to work fine. So now we have to name this tag as a WhatsApp click. Google ads, and now we're going to save this one. Okay, now just hit the publish button. And in the Google ads, just hit this finish button as well. Now our conversion is created successfully, and now we have to test it out if our conversion is like created or not. Now we have to add this preview section again. It is connecting to our website. It is successfully connected. Now select this button that's called continue. Okay, this is our website. Okay, it's not connected. I'm going to close this sections and open this website again. Okay, now we have to put our website and click on this continue button. Okay, now our website is open and this is like a connecting tab. Okay, now you can see this tag not fired, and you can see this tag we have just created that's called WhatsApp click Google ads. Okay, now we have to head to our website and scroll down a little bit and just click on this WhatsApp button, and we have to see make sure you are selected this summary tab, and we have to see if this tag that's called WhatsApp click if it's fired or not. Now we have to click on this and go back and let's check it out. Okay, now you can see that's in the like tag fired section, we can see our tag that's called WhatsApp click Google ads. And if we just check it out on the like link click, like what happened when we just click on that URL. So you can see in the like tag fired section, you can see only one triggered on the like tag which is fired. It's like WhatsApp click, and if we just click on that one, you can see the like click URL that we have just tracked. It's called like var.link. Okay, now you can see that we have successfully created our WhatsApp click Google ad conversion tracking, and that's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.